Have you ever thought, I want to build the next ChatGPT? Or maybe an AI-powered person coach? Or a doctor in your pocket? Well, here's the truth. In 2025, you don't need to be an AI genius or a multi-million dollar company to build something impactful. You just need the right roadmap. In this video, I will walk you through exactly how you can build an AI app using AI itself. From defining your ideas to choosing the best tools, building a backend and even launching it to real users. This video is a complete guide to AI application development in 2025 and beyond. So stay tuned with me till the end. In the past 3 years alone, we have helped 100 plus clients design and deploy AI apps across industries like healthcare, fintech, logistics, and e-learning. And now, I'm happy to share a proven playbook so you can understand what it really takes to build a world-class AI application using the power of AI technology without blowing your budget. The global artificial intelligence market is projected to reach $245 billion in 2025, growing at a CAGR of 26.6%. This is not just growth, it's a tidal wave, and it being fueled by multiple factors that include API access to world-class AI models like ChatGPT, Gemini, and Claude, the rise of no-code, low-code AI tools, and real demand across industries for automation, personalization, and perspective intelligence. From AI consultants and tutors to the customer service bots and virtual stylists, the market is wide open. So, what's the right way to penetrate smartly? The answer is Brew strategy. Your must-have blueprint to building AI apps that don't just work but actually win. The Brew strategy is a 4-step process we use at Brew Labs to take your idea from concept to reality, where the first step is B. Brainstorm the problem and user persona. Your AI app must solve a real urgent problem. You can't just build an AI app for the sake of it. Rather, building one that amplifies value through automation, intelligence, or personalization. Ask yourself, what's the one friction my users face on a daily basis? Can AI solve it better, faster, or cheaper? Be it health tracker that adapts to behaviors, a legal assistant that reads and analyzes documents, or a mental wellness app that listens and suggests. Get specific. The more focused your problem is, the smarter your AI solution can be. Also, define your users clearly. Demographics, pain points, digital behaviors, everything. Because your AI is only as useful as the clarity of the person it's meant to serve. Next is R, which means research the right AI models and training ideas. Now, this is where most AI-driven projects sink. Choosing the wrong tech stack or training the wrong data. If your AI application involves conversations, prefer going with GPT-4o, Claude, or LLaMA 3. If you want to process images, use Google's Gemini version or Meta's SAP. If you're working with voices, explore 11 Labs, Whisper, or AudioCraft. In today's world, there's absolutely no need to train from scratch. Use personal trained models or fine-tune open source ones for your domain. Talking about data, your AI app needs a brain. And if you don't have enough data, go for RAG, Retrieval Augmented Generation. This allows your app to pull knowledge from a real-time database and answer like a pro. Store that data in vector databases like Pinecone, Waviat, or TromaDB. Remember, your model is the engine, but the data is the fuel. Step 3 is E. Engineer the MVP using right tech stack. Let's not complicate this. I'll tell you some of the tech stacks we use at Brew Labs for building our AI development solutions. Front-end, React Native or Flutter. Back-end, Node.js, Fast API or Django. AI layer, OpenAI API, Hugging Face, Longchain. Vector store, Pinecone or Troma. Database, MongoDB or PostgreSQL. Cloud, AWS, GCP, and Azure. Security, end-to-end encryption, data masking, GDPR, and HIPAA compliance. You must know that your MVP only needs 2 things: the core AI experience working well, a clean, intuitive interface to deliver that experience. Whether your project is a chatbot, a recommender, or an AI content generator, never overbuild. Start lean, validate fast, and then build feedback loops right into the AI. This allows your users to train your AI with every interaction. And finally, the W stands for wrapping it up with testing, scaling, and monetization. This is what separates great, useful, successful AI apps from broken gimmicks. Test your app with real users to check the hallucinations, latency, relevance, and fallback prompts to not let your model go rogue. And observe usage patterns to analyze what features get used, what questions pair. Once stable, scale it. Use coaching to lower API cost. Implement auto-scaling clusters for preference. Track every prompt, every output, and then you can monetize your app smartly via different models like a SaaS plan, pay per response, premium, plus premium AI tools, white label AI as a service, and always offer multiple values. People will pay for outcomes they'll receive, not just that. Now, it's equally important to talk about what to avoid while building your own AI app, because we've seen these mistakes sink over very promising apps. So you need to avoid building an AI app with no clear user journey, relying only on API with no fallback, ignoring compliance and security, trying to go too custom in version 1, and skipping UX for speed. Don't just build fast, build smart. As I talked earlier, that we've built and launched over 100 plus AI solutions over the past 30 months. From building GPT-powered legal bots to multi-modal AI for fitness to custom AI solutions for healthcare, architecture, logistics, supply chain, trading, we've done it all. On the whole, our team brings the research, the data, the AI tuning, the UI design, and the cloud infrastructure together seamlessly. If you're serious about building an AI app and want to do it the first time, let's talk. Just visit the link in the description to schedule your free strategy session with our AI experts, and let us walk you through the idea, share relevant case studies, and show you how to bring it to life the Brew way. And hey, if you found this video helpful, do hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.